The National Weather Service just announced a new hurricane severity scale. The name of this scale will be the Severely Clustered Raw Energy Wind Everyday Scale, or SCREWD for short. The scale will go to a 6 as a maximum with wind speeds exceeding 158 miles per hour. On the SCREWD scale, Hurricane Irma is a 6.
Hey, why don't you just make the 5 on the Saffir-Simpson scale stronger?
But this goes to 6.
You're on 10 on your guitar. Where can you go from there? Where?
I don't know.
Nowhere, exactly. What we do is if we need that extra push over the cliff, you know what we do?
Put it up to 11.
11, exactly. One louder.
Why don't you just make 10 louder and make 10 be the top number and make that a little louder?
These go to 11.